So today I just wanted to talk about real quickly the four pillars of health. It's just kind of hard to find yourself in good health or to feel well when you are lacking in one of these areas because they all kind of work together. So I put a little spin on the four pillars of good health, specifically for those called by God to be set apart. So the first pillar is nourishing food. So Messiah said that man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. So nourishing food isn't just physical food, it's spiritual food. If you're not feeding your spirit, including through fasting, because ironically enough, yes, not eating feeds you. If you're not feeding your spirit, then you have a malnourished spirit. So feed the mind, body, and spirit. The second pillar is exercise or movement because stagnation can cause health problems. Movement is beneficial for the heart, for the mind, and so on. The word says that all the issues of life flow from the heart, and for us to protect our hearts. The heart's job is to pump, but being sedentary robs it of its potential. Even emotions and stress have a hard time working their way out of our body when we are sedentary. Get moving in order to help all those different energies process themselves. And while you're at it, don't forget to exercise good sense. Humility and faith, they can all work together to lower your stress and then some, which brings me to the third pillar, which is stress reduction. Messiah told us to be anxious for nothing, but to instead pray to God about what we are anxious about. He said to pray without ceasing. Even if all you pray over and over again is, Lord, have mercy, He will hear you and have mercy on you. This is the holy means of stress reduction. So breathe, be still, and know. And finally, the fourth pillar, bringing it all together, is sleep. And there are many reasons why we may not be getting adequate sleep. It could be because we have kids, insomnia, stress, or even FOMO, fear of missing out. But God communicates with us in our dreams. So we should definitely be doing all that we can to get good sleep in that case. Now, if kids are keeping you from sleep, then, one tip is to sleep when they sleep. If it's insomnia or stress, then I would suggest to address the underlying cause. If FOMO, which is fear of missing out, just know that you have nothing to fear because you're not missing out on anything on social media, because I know people like to scroll at night on social media. You're not missing out on anything but other people's boasting. You need sleep because you need your dream life. God uses dreams sometimes to warn you of things and help you to steer clear of wrongdoings. Sleep isn't just for rest, it's also for foresight.